What's up, everybody? Guess what? Birdies are back. So, I'm going to show you to them. And remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more info on the butties that just hatched. Today, I just did a video like a couple minutes ago. And I had to do another video because you can literally see the birdie. Here, wait, let me get not away from this. So, I don't know if you can see them, but other surprise. Whoops. Yeah, I'm sorry. Zoomed in camera. But also from video, I don't know what video, but I showed you that. Yeah, we're getting our basketball hoop up, and we did. Oh, we got this sand thing. I don't know what it's called, but also from this, it can go up and down, and trampoline still waiting to be built. And if you not have heard the info of what happened, it was up right over there, and a big wind, really big wind, came from over here, and it somehow lifted up and got chucked into their shed, neighbor's shed. And we had a thing to get up for my brother Harrison, and it got torn to pieces. And it got torn to pieces even more after another thing. So we had to put sandbags on it to make sure it didn't fly away. And so many dented pieces. My dad bought some. Now still needs to buy more. Because this is too thin. There's always, see how that looks? Because we scooch that together, but there's always going to be about a couple like that. And see, another one. Yeah, see, I don't know what, that was screwed up. So yeah, it's in session. Probably we'll do a video on that. Oh, and today we just got out this. This is now going to be a video in the future. So let's say bye. Let me check if they're up there one time. Hi, Harrison. Hey! Sorry. Emma. Sorry. My brother just locked me out. Let us in. Let us in. He lets us in. Are you checking out the birdies? You can see the top of it right there. Sorry, I'm going to zoom you out. Harrison, do you like the birdies? And one more thing. But there's more birds, but no baby bird. There was a bird, but seen it come again. So, yeah. I'm not supposed to be over there right now because somebody just got here to fixing something up over there. And, yeah. Oh my God, these darn cicadas. So comment down below if you can see them, and if you can see them, tell me if they are cute, ugly, or something like that. What they look like. So, yeah. Bye. Okay. Birdies are really up there. So, remember, birdies need info. So, remember, like, subscribe to see us again. Bye.